Arithmetic progression. First question. A sequence of numbers is in AP only when the common difference is dash throughout the sequence. Options are unequal, equal, increasing, decreasing. The correct answer is option B, equal. Second question. The common difference of an arithmetic progression is dash. Options are positive, negative, 0, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Now the third question. The general term of an AP is dash. The options are Tn equal to A plus Nd. Tn equal to A plus N plus 1 into D. Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Tn equal to N plus A minus 1 into D. The correct answer is option C, Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Fourth question. The first term of an AP is 60 and the second term is 54. What is the common difference? The options are 6 minus 6, 54, 60. The correct answer is option B, minus 6. Okay. Difference எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம்? T2 minus T1. The values are substitute பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ 54 minus 60, that is minus 6. An AP having a common difference of 0 is called dash. Options are not an AP, constant AP, non-constant AP, infinite AP. The correct answer is option B, constant AP. Sixth question. If A and L are first and last term of an AP, then the number of terms is dash. Options are L minus A, L minus A by D, L minus A by D plus 1, A plus N minus 1 into D. The correct answer is option C, L minus A by D plus 1. Seventh question. Condition for three successive terms A, B, C to be in AP is dash. Options are A is greater than B plus C, B equal to A plus C, C equal to A plus B, 2B equal to A plus C. The correct answer is option D, 2B equal to A plus C. Which of the following is an AP? Options are 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on. 2, 3, 5, 8 and so on. The correct answer is option B, 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Ninth question. Find the common difference of the AP 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. The options are 3, 4, 5, 10. The correct answer is option C, 5. நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? செகண்ட் டேர்ம்லேருந்து ஃபஸ்ட் டேர்ம் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறோம். இப்போ 15 minus 10, 5. I made 20 minus 15, 5. There. Next, 25 minus 20, that is also 5. Therefore, the answer is 5. 10th question. What is the 10th term of the AP? 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. The options are 27, 29, 30, 32. The correct answer is option B, 29. Okay, the AP என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. அப்போ first term A is 2, D equal to 5 minus 2, 3, N equal to 10. Formula write பண்ணுறோம். Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute பண்ணும்போது T10 equal to 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 3. That is 2 plus 9 into 3. 2 plus 27, that is 29. That is the answer. Next 11th question. Which term of the AP 5, 9, 13 and so on is 41? The options are 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. The correct answer is option C, 10th. இந்த சமுக்கு ரெண்டு ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். டிஎன் ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், என் ஃபார்முலாவும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். நம்ம இங்கே என் ஃபார்முலா தான் யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். என் ஈக்குவல் டு எல் மைனஸ் ஏ பை டி ப்ளஸ் ஒன்னுங்கிற ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ இங்கே ஏ என்ன இருக்குது 5, டி இஸ் 9 மைனஸ் 5 4, 41 நம்ம எல்லுன்னு எடுத்துக்கிற போகிறோம். இது எல்லாத்தையும் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ 41 மைனஸ் 5 பை 4 ப்ளஸ் 1, that is 36 by 4 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. That is the answer. 12th question. If the nth term of the AP is an equal to 3n plus 2, then what is the first term of the AP? The options are 2, 3, 5, 1. The correct answer is option C, 5. ஓகே, ஏஎன் ஈக்குவல் டு 3n ப்ளஸ் 2 கிவன். நமக்கு என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு டேர்ம். அப்போ n ஈக்குவல் டு 1 சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ 3 into 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. That is the answer.